Alright, we got the truck back in Dylan's shop. Thankful for Dylan and the tools and the space and the rides and the friendship. So we got a list. I'm not going to read it all off, but there's a fair bit of stuff to do. It's not overwhelming, but we got 3 guys to do it and some time. So yeah, James is adjusting the steering. I'm going to do an oil change and just keep picking things off. Keep trying to do things and stuff. So yeah. Thanks for all the free labor, boys.
By the way, I don't want to sell the truck. Thanks for the oil change.
Yeah, this is way better working in a shop with friends than in the backyard.
Yeah.
Are all the fluids checked?
Flex down. Driver side, C power.
Yeah.
Yep. Bill cell.
Well, we gotta do that one.
What's that? Oh.
Bills, we can cross out orange.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Turn signals.
Fuel plant, fuel system.
You got that?
Yeah.
Nice.
Front diff's done.
Top off trans and TC.
Front diff is done
Front diff's done, yeah.
and filled?
Yep.
Sweet. Okay, we got brake controller, which we gotta get still. Have to buy a trailer, go to Harbor Freight. Bill of sale for M880 written out. Random wiring and engine bay. Done?
Done.
Nice.
Did we tighten up the fuel shuttle solenoid?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's done.
Done. Current registration sticker we got to pick up when we go out, and then fifth wheel rails ? If we get a fifth wheel trailer. Does anyone know if K&B or whatever trailers is open tomorrow?
They should be open tomorrow.
Yeah.
They will absolutely not be open Saturday.
Okay, so after like a lot of time, wires, a Scotch lock might have been used. We have functioning headlights and functioning taillights. Sheesh. James has been working his bag off, installing a fifth wheel hitch for a trailer that you may or may not buy. Let's go over the list. See what we got. We're on day 2. It's late. Let's see what we got here. So we gotta clean up the interior. It's not a big deal. Hitch install. Can I cross hitch install off? Or do you want the pleasure of doing that? Oh, I'm talking to no one. Okay. Brake controllers. A quarter of the way done. Axle seal is leaking. Running lights. Yes. Odometer maybe works. No, I'm not sure. Gonna put a panel on the door. Go get a U-Haul trailer. Do some paperwork on the other truck we bought. Adjust the steering tomorrow. We didn't get a lot done here, but I feel accomplished. And the Raggio works, so that's exciting. We got kind of a running light there and kind of a running light there.
Hey, reverse works now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, reverse works.
Needed some more now.
Yeah, it does. It just needs to get going. Is the hitch installed?
Hitch is done, yeah.
Do you want the pleasure of crossing it off the list?
Yeah, you can do that.
I got that? Alright. Yeah. Hitch is installed. So, yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna leave tomorrow at like noon, so hopefully we can get most of this done. Odometer is questionable, but yeah. I'm gonna go to bed now.
Honestly, dude, probably for the front, since you already have kind of, I hook right here, come up, over.
All right, good morning, everybody. It's like, I think we're in Statesboro, Georgia. Just leaving a very expensive, very crappy hotel. But yeah, we left Dylan's house in Pooler, Bloomingdale area. Drove an hour or two and came here for the fall fair. So now we're gonna hit the road again. So here's the setup. It's working good so far. Got some miles under the belt and no problems yet. Yeah, we got the army truck on a U-Haul with the John boat in the back, and then the 4-door Orange Crush. No complaints so far, and everything seems to be working out. Did you get money back?
So, well, they just passed me off to other people. So like, yeah, we gave you $37 to back, and I was like, what is that? Was that 10%? Like, yeah, about that. And I was like, really? She's like, yeah, that's all I'm authorized to do. I was like,
Oh. But on a side note, it's been going great. We haven't had any issues to mention other than this. I know all you can see is a transmission, but it's pretty dark out here. Loud. But yeah, so you can barely even see me. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's fun. That's really fun.
Okay, so we filled up the transmission with as much fluid as we got, maybe 4 quarts, 3.5 liters, something like that. Enough to get us hopefully up this hill if it moves.
I smashed my face.
James gave himself a good rocking.
Any of the blood's still there, but
Get a little gash.
yeah.
So things are going good. We're having a good time. So yeah,
We got our first start up, and hopefully she moves.
yeah. Hopefully we just drive away here.
We're gonna wait till quiet out here.
Well, that's a good sign.
Okay. That's not a good sign.
That's not a good sign.
That's really not a good sign.
Sounds like it's in 4-wheel drive. You didn't touch any of that,
I
eh?
haven't touched any of that. 5, reverse, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Something's broken. Take your foot off the clutch. Yeah, it's throw bearing or... Yeah, it's probably just throw bearing.
Should I not do it?
Yeah. Let's talk about it.
Can you see me? Okay.
All right, so Transmission is grenaded. I'm not a mechanic, but something's not where it used to be. So yeah, we got a heavy tow truck coming. Thankfully, James has AAA with the RV package and the full service, so we're not totally screwed. And we're only
5 minutes before town.
2 miles from the hotel. So
one guy wanted to charge $750 US to go and get us.
yeah, one guy wanted $750, but we managed to find this. I don't know, these people hopefully are coming, but you're gonna see this video in real time, so yeah. Keep watching. I don't know what we're gonna do. It's not an easy fix, so but we'll get back to the hotel, have a couple of cold pops and figure it out. Okay, so after about 17 failed plans, we've decided to put the trucks in storage. We found a storage facility. We towed them all here, all together actually, but we're just moving them to our storage spot. We've returned our U-Haul trailer, and we're gonna get on an airplane, fly home, go get a 40-foot gooseneck in James's dually, and tow them all in one. Kind of admitting defeat a little bit here. It's been a hell of a trip so far. I'll update you guys again when we're on the airplane. Also, one more thing. B's Towing and Recovery, his name's Brandon, picked us up, bought us dinner when our truck blew up, and has been helping us this entire time. We're in Tennessee, Monteagle, Pittsburgh, Tracy, all those kinds of areas. I don't know if I have any kind of reach to those areas, but if you need a tow truck, B's Towing and Recovery. Guy has been such a sweetheart. Like, saved the day. Don't know what we do without him. So, yeah.